Hello everyone! I'm Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated.
So, what is debt? Ito naman yung sinasabi na amount of money borrowed by one party from another. The borrower is expected to pay the debt with interest. No? So, alam nyo, pag may utang kayo, make sure babayaran nyo yan. Kahit na paunti-unti, no? Kasi trust po yung binigay sa nyo, hindi lang pera. Okay? And debt rob your future income. So, ito po yung natutunan ko rin noong 2012 na sabi ko, ganun pala yung pag nasanay akong umutang, pag nagkautang-utang talaga ako, ibig sabihin nun parang hindi na ako excited for my future. Kasi wala na akong income eh. Ginastos ko na agad yung kikitain ko pa lang eh. 'Di ba? So, i-avoid po natin magkautang. So, when you are debt-free, you have more money to save and to invest in assets that earn more money. So, ibig sabihin, opposite yung effect niya. No? Pag may investment ka, may peace of mind ka kasi yan nga, no? Nakakapag-invest ka in assets that earn more money. So, dumalago lalo yung iyong cash flow. Pero pag may utang ka, kalaban mo talaga yung pera kasi may interest naman yan na nag-grow against you. So, two method of paying debt. So, matututunan nyo po yan sa workshop 1. Yung avalanche method, you pay your debts from highest interest rate to the lowest interest rate. So, ang advice po dito sa method na to, unahin mo yung malaking interest kasi nagko-compound yan eh. And yung snowball method naman, unahin mo naman yung pinakamababa yung amount ng utang mo para medyo kung 10 yung listahan mo, mabilis na lang siyang mga lahati. So to be debt-free forever, know the root cause of your debt. Is it because of, bakit ba tayo nagkautang? Dahil ba sa medical emergencies? Dahil ba talaga maliit yung income natin? Kasi lahat po yan may solusyon po sa IMG. Or wala kang emergency fund. Or you're not living below your means. So walang disiplina. No? Check po natin yung sarili natin. Kasi pag hindi mo alam yung root cause, patuloy lang po yan talagang dadami yung utang mo talaga. So, emergency fund, ito naman yung helps increase cash flow and avoid debts by providing a financial safety net for unexpected expenses. So, again, pag tayo ay may savings sa ating tinatawag na emergency fund, pag nagkaroon ng emergency sa pamilya, may mahuhugot tayo. Hindi natin kailangan mangutang. And when you have an emergency fund, you can cover unforeseen costs without resorting to borrowing money or using high-interest credit cards. So this prevents you from accumulating debts and allows you positive cash flow. So additionally, emergency fund can reduce financial stress, enabling you to make better financial decisions and focus on long-term financial goals. So again, medyo simple lang yung concept ng emergency fund pero sobrang malaking tulong to. Kasi noong 2020, nung nagka-pandemic, may nakakatuwa, may nag-thank you sa akin kasi sabi niya, "Ma'am, buti pala natuto ako sa IMG mag-ipon kasi nakabuild ako ng emergency fund. Ngayon na pandemic, may gagamitin po ako. In case na mawalan ako ng trabaho, meron po akong pondo." So, ganun po kalalim ang mission ng IMG ng pag-educate po natin ng mga Filipino.